I'm Joe Barton from RAMP, the Dentist Advertising Agency, with your Monday Morning Marketing Minute. Today, I'd like to talk about dental advertising regulations. As you all know, each state is regulated by its own state board. What a lot of dentists don't know, however, is that they are ultimately responsible for their advertising message. They don't get to say, I didn't design the ad, the newspaper designed it, or the radio station designed it. Ultimately, the dentist is responsible. I like to say there are cardinal rules in advertising in dentistry. While each board has different various rules, there are certain rules that all boards cover. One thing that you don't want to do is project superiority. Do not say anywhere on your website or in your advertising that you're the best, your team's the best. Another thing is you don't want to use the term pain-free. One other thing is a lot of dentists are advertising sedation dentistry, whether it's IV or oral, and they use the term sleep in their advertising. You cannot use the term sleep as it pertains to sedation in dentistry unless you provide general anesthesia. To learn more about RAMP, go to rampresults.com or give me a call at 1-800-620-RAMP, R-A-M-P.